Hey guys, here's a very short video into from McAfee Knob to Daleville. Wasn't much to view. This was back when the foot was giving me a hard time. I'll show you a picture of it there at the very end. It's much better now. Anyway, there was really not much to see. There was a lot of ledges, and there were just a lot of average, overviews and things. But I did get a fair number of pictures at McAfee Knob. Actually, most of the folks that showed up there, even the young folks, were a bit emotional because it had rained so much on us. We had just not seen much of anything. And I'm talking about for the last 6-7 weeks, as you've seen in the videos. All those great views in North Carolina and Georgia, I pretty much missed. So it was raining, back at in the previous video, the day or two before, and we just kind of assumed that it wasn't going. The day before it was raining, we kind of assumed, I did, that it wasn't just going to be cloudy. I just walk right on past McAfee Knob, and about an hour and a half before I got there, it just cleared up beautifully, and I hurried and scurried up the mountain and got some great shots, and really was very fortunate to get there. Some of the young guys came up, they had tears in their eyes because they just didn't think they would even get to see that view that day. So here's a short video.